When I look for inspiration for my cakes, the first place I look is my house. And I have this vase. It's a really cool Terrazzo vase that I got at the flower market. And I thought, wouldn't that be cool to have a cake that looked just like this? It's already the same shape and it's got this really cool texture to it. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna create this vase, but in cake form. So today we're gonna use 5 different food colors. We're going to use white, slate, ash, burnt umber, chartreuse, and cork. And these are all from Americolor. We're gonna start with the speckle technique that we learned in the previous video. For this, we're gonna do white and ash. These colors really lay the foundation for that stone texture. Oh, let's not forget vodka. So again, for the speckle technique, we're gonna use a large, hard bristled brush. All right, let's get to speckling. I feel like cake decorating is so therapeutic. I could just be in the kitchen for hours doing this. So the reason why you want to use vodka instead of water is that it evaporates faster and it just prevents any dripping. Cool. So that's a good base coat. Now we're going to move on to the ash color. Typically I would wash this, but since it's just white, I'm just going to go ahead and mix it in. This is looking a little thick, so I think I'm going to add a little bit more vodka. So I won't go too heavy with this gray because I still want our geometric shapes to stand out. So I'm just gonna go over it lightly. Great, and that's it. I'm gonna clean up the cake board, set it in the fridge for a few minutes before we start applying our shapes. So once the cake is chilled, we'll start to apply our geometric shapes. Right now we're gonna do slate, chartreuse, burnt umber, and cork. So again, add a little vodka to each bowl, along with the food color. So this is how I do my terrazzo cake. There's so many techniques out there, but this works for me and I hope it works for you.